Q is less than 180. But TCF initial cost is $40 plus 15 cents, 0.15 Q, right?
Mm-hmm.
But Q should be higher than 180, right?
Yes.
So minus 180. That one is if Q is greater than 180, right? So minus 180. Because this one is 181, 182. So after 180, 1 minute, 15 cents. 2 minutes, 15 cents. 3 minutes, 15 cents. So if this one is less than 180, this one more than 180, 181, minus 180, then only 1 minute additional, right? And the third option, TCE equals same, $70 up to 300. $70 up to 300. So more than less than 300, more than 300, less than 300, $70 flat. If Q is less than 300, $70 plus 10 cents, 0.10, 10 cents, Q minus 300. Okay. Now, first option, start from 0 and just like this. Second option, start 40 and 15 cents. Third option, this is 40 and then 70 and up 10, right? I told you there are three, if there are three options, then there are two important points, right? Here and here. This one is not important. Two sides. The first point, let's say this one A and this one is B. On A, first one is TCO, second one is TCF, third one is TCE. On point A, first point, TCO and TCF. So, first point, TCO equals TCF. This point, let's say B, TCF equals TCE. substitute and okay. TC on point A, TC O equals TC F. Substitute. TCO is 0.2 Q equals. Second option, we just assume more than 180. So use this one. 40 plus 0.15 Q minus 180.
Okay. So then you get rid of your 0.152.
This one, 0.15 Q minus 27. This one, 0.15 Q, 0.15 times 180, 27. Right? 0.15 Q, 0.15 times 180 equals 27. So minus 27. 40 minus 27 is 13. So we can change this one. 13.
Go back.
Go back.
Yeah, you lost me.
This one,
Yeah, I'm with you there.
15Q, 0.15 Q, 0.15 times 180 is 27. So this part is 0.15 Q minus 27, this part. Right? So 40 minus 27 equals 13. So this one itself, 13 plus 0.15 Q. This one. So TCF is 13 plus 0.15 Q minus 0.15 Q each side, 0.15. Then 0.5 Q equals 13. Divide by 13 each side, 0.5. 0.5 each side. Then Q equals 26. Is it right?
You said 26, right?
So point A is on 26.
So when you multiply that 0.15 times that 180, you still gonna keep your 115 Q?
Yeah.
How did you get the 2016? I missed that.
260. 260. Is it right?
Right.
260. 0.05. Not 0.5. 0.05. I will show my answer on Blackboard.
Oh,
260. TCO equals TCF, 0.2 Q equals 40 plus 15.15 Q minus 180. This one is 0.15 Q minus 27, so 13 plus 0.15 Q, 15 Q each side, then 0.05 Q equals 13. So 0.05, 13 divided by 0.05 equals 260. 260.
so, I'm trying to see, how did you get the 13? Where did you get the 13 from? I understand the other one, I'm just trying to figure out who did 13.
This one, 40 plus 0.15 Q minus 180, right?
Right.
Okay. This one itself,
D 26.
0.15 Q, right? 0.15 times
Yeah.
180,
D 27.
right?
Negative 27. Oh.
40 minus 27, 13 plus 0.15 Q, right? Okay. Then A is on 260. On B, TCF equals TCE. Now we know TCF equals 13 plus 0.15 Q, right? We calculated, right? How about TCE? TCE equals, it was 70 plus 0.10 Q minus 300, right? This one equals, this one itself, 0.1 Q minus 30, right? 0.1 times 300 is 30, right? Minus 30, 70 minus 30 equals 40 plus 0.1 Q, right? So here, TCF is 13 plus 0.15 Q equals TCE 40 plus 0.1 Q
It's on Blackboard.
minus 0.1 Q minus 13, then 0.05 Q equals 27. Divide by 0.05, 0.05, 0.005. So Q equals 540.
Okay, so at first step, we just gonna subtract, not gonna eliminate. We're gonna eliminate it.
Eliminate, yeah.
Okay.
Subtract means eliminate smaller one. So, I will show my answer. TCF equals TCE, 40 plus 0.15 Q minus 180, 70 plus 0.1 Q minus 300. We calculate then 13 plus 0.15 Q, 40 plus 0.1 Q. Subtract 13.1, then 0.05 Q equals 27, that is Q equals 540. This practice problem asks only the point, but for quiz and test, your answer looks like this. If Q is less than 260, this one like this. So TCO, TCF, TCE. So first point, 260. Second point here, 540. First point, less than 260. This one is the best. That is occasional plan. So occasional plan is the best option. And if Q is between 260 and 540, among three between 260 and 500, this one is the best one, the lowest, that is TCE. So TCF. No.
TCF.
Let's change. This one is TCF and E. So TCE is so F. Frequent plan is the best option. And the last one, more than, if 540 Q is more than 540, then executive plan is the best plan or option. What do you think?
Headache.
Can't wait.
You need to practice. You know, previous, because this one is, I know it's hard. It's hard. So I post problem. The previous this is previous quiz number 2. I gave you graph.
Will the quiz be like that also with the graph?
Same.
Okay.
I will only change only number, okay, and some word. So this is hard, I know. So I gave you answer 2.
Good practice. Good.
I gave you answer. So you need practice. First you need study again if you don't understand. Study again with example. And then practice problem and previous quiz question and compare answer. Okay? Do you want me go over this one here or you can do at home?
Practice at home.
Okay?
You know.
Okay, if you don't want to go over this one here, that's all. Chapter 7.